This is it for McCoy Stadium today. Fireworks tonight and food trucks to celebrate the last hurrah. Came to this stadium, seen a lot of great games with my cousin Andrew and my best friend and partner in crime, Heather Griffiths. We've seen a lot of good games here, and I'd like to thank my father and my uncle for the seats that we had. 4th of July celebrations that we seen the fireworks right there on the field, which were great. Which I spent a lot of them with my best friend Heather. Picture I have over by that door right there, the last fireworks that me and Heather went to before COVID, which was the same year some friends from school were here. My friend Ed Perry and his family, which the seats that Ed had were right there underneath the scoreboard with his family. We had a blast that year. Thank you, McCoy Stadium, for all the memories that you gave us. It was great to have them. Right where the Paw Sox dugout is, that's where the seats were that my father and my uncle had. My uncle had right at the railing, and my father had the third row. Those are the best seats you could never ask for. Right on the side of the net and behind the net. Again, this is the last time we'll be seeing this stadium. Thank you again, McCoy Stadium, for all the years you were here.